Now we know how much money an asteroid is worth. An asteroid is believed to be worth 10,000 quadrillion as observed through a Hubble telescope in new scale study. A rare metallic asteroid about 3 times larger than our Sun could yield Earth's secrets about Earth's protocol, and scientists want to learn all about it. A new study published Monday in the Planetary Science Journal takes a closer look at this mysterious asteroid using the Hubble telescope. Located between Mars and Jupiter, the asteroid 16 Psyche is one of the most massive objects in the asteroid belt in our solar system. With a diameter of around 140 miles, it's roughly the same state as Massachusetts if it excludes Cape Cod. An exact comparison of Psyche is still unclear, but scientists think it's still possible it's made of iron and nickel. The hypothesized piece of iron of size could be worth around 10,000 quadrillion, more than the entire economy on our planet. Scientists believe that Psyche could be a metallic core of an early planet that lost its mantle and crushed due to collisions that might have occurred in the formation of our solar system. They will send an unmanned spacecraft to Psyche to study it up close. But in the meantime, a new study in the Planetary Science Journal looked at Psyche through the Hubble telescope in 2 specific points of its rotation to capture both sides of the asteroid. The study first includes ultraviolet observations of Psyche, furthering our understanding of its surface in depth. And yet we looked at the ultraviolet light that reflected off the asteroid's surface. Tracy Becker told CNN she is the lead author of the study and planetary scientist of Southwest Research Institute. The way the ultraviolet light was reflected by Psyche was very similar to the way iron affects sunlight, she explained. Studying Psyche could help us understand those early times of our solar system, so when objects had higher implications and crazier as centuries, could have more opportunities to collide with each other, Becker told CNN. If Psyche were a core of a planet never was, studying more closely could be about the core of a planet. We couldn't be able to explore, Becker said. The study also detected 2 possible signals of to Psyche to the solar winds. And yep, this is the asteroid that we're visiting. So this asteroid could be worth up to 10 million quadrillion dollars, which is more than the entire economy of a planet. It's very important that we do go and study this asteroid, because there's a lot of oxygen with the metal, and oxygen and the change particles in the sun that cause the oxygen to interact with the bacteria is now, or the interaction happened a long time ago. And yep, they're visiting Psyche, and yep, what we want to know about Psyche is basically, how much, if about the oxygen being mixed with the planet, with the asteroid media as well, with other elements like sulfur or even potassium mixed in the metal phase. Can we say something about the temperature or pressure of the thing? And of course, how much money it is. And yep, that means it's possible that someone could make lots of money off of this asteroid. And yep, space mining to our imagination. The objects closer to the Earth are the more are candidates for space mining, according to ethics Tetons. The more interesting idea is to use asteroids as a source of water that can be made into rocket fuel. Most of the nearest water asteroids do not have water or ice in them, but they do have minerals that contain water bound up in the crystal lattices. They can be accessed by heat up the minerals, Ekins explained. They can almost be like little refilling stations, but it is a bit ahead of ourselves. So yep, there we go. So that means asteroids cost a lot of money, can be worth a lot of money. So whoever gets to these asteroids first will get a lot of money off of them. So that's basically it. Goodbye.